Hello friends, today we'll be making broad beans fry. First of all, we'll be taking 2 tablespoons of oil. To the oil, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, add half a teaspoon of urad dal. Put the flame to medium to high. Once the mustard seeds splutter, we will add onions to this. This is 1 chopped onion. Saute the onions for 1 minute and let it fry till they attain light brown color. The onions started changing color. I will be adding about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now mix this well and put the flame to low to medium and saute this till ginger garlic paste loses its raw flavor. Now to this we will be adding the broad beans which we are going to fry. So the beans are about half a kg. So we are going to add this into the pressure cooker. Saute the beans for about 4 minutes. Add 4 green chilies which are cut longitudinally. After 4 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Add half a teaspoon of cumin powder and mix this well and saute for another 2-3 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 80 ml of water into this. Mix this well. And now close the lid of the pressure cooker and we'll cook this for about 1 whistle or 10 minutes, whichever is earlier. So after 1 cooking vessel, reduce the flame, open the lid and we see that the beans are only half cooked. Now we are going to add another 70 ml of water into this. Now we will be cooking this on a medium flame till all the water gets evaporated. So I have been cooking the beans for 10 minutes now on a medium to high flame. Feel that the beans have been cooked very well. So we'll cook this further until the water evaporates completely. So if you like this recipe, please try this at home. Like, share and comment on my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So this is the broad beans fry that we had made. So it looks fantastic and it also tastes very delicious.